Everyone, this is the iPhone Xsmax, and the problem with the back camera, but selfie camera normally working. Yeah, now we go to check it. Yeah, this is the camera logo. Then I press on it. This is the back camera. It show black like this. And now we return to the selfie camera. Yes, it normally working. Now we are going to repair it. And this is the razor. We need to open this. I always use the razor for open. Comfortable for me. It's very easy. Wow, it look like very deep than original LCD. Yes, deeper frame. Then we use our fingernail like this, and other side the same like this. Yes. Wow, problem with the frame also. Yes, and then turn right for this model. After we deassembly the LCD, turn right. Yes, then we lose the screw. First of all, we need to lose the battery. We need to disconnect the battery connector first. Yes, you see, an original screw. It use same as old iPhone. Yes, this we use the screwdriver that used with the Samsung smartphone, and this is an original. We use an original driver also. Yes. After that, we use the tweezers. This is the tweezer to remove the cover metal. But then we need to. Wow, this is the touch screen and confused. Sorry, confused with the iPhone 11 Pro Max. The battery on this board, yes, under the big metal cover. Mơ tin mơ. Nhưng mình là cái hào bong, cái hào pu chứ hào pu dương này. Trên xe sắp tới rồi. Yeah, this is the tweezers. Yeah, then we remove. After that, we use our fingernail to remove the battery connector. First of all, we need to remove the battery connector to protect, destroy something. Then we can use the metal for remove anything. Yes, like this. Boy, iPhone boy on. Just screw out, just screw in. Wait a moment. Prap kê phong. Yeah, this is the back camera. We need to replace back camera. Prap sân dừng lên tàn nâu nghiêm chăm mùa chào chắc cái mình mơ khơi chứ. Thứ ấy cái đó dừng trâu chu nụm năng tàu kê ta ngặt chân thơ đôi kê nâng dừng dần á, định đằng ngó mùa chào mới tiết hơi ơi. Tâm vật khá đăng tê. This is the camera cover. Yes, it use the metal sheet cover the camera, and then we remove the camera connector. Yes, it has two camera, one for focus and other one for dipper. Yes. Wow. 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 How to. What on? Wow. Yeah, now I need to use my microscope to make sure. Yes, yes. When we use the microscope, we know which one is the part of the camera. Just like this. Then we keep it apart, keep in a very safe place. This is one. Yeah, we flow the air for clean dust. And this one, it locked on iCloud, and then we take a spare part from the iCloud body. Yes, like this. We remove 3 screws. Yes. Oh, sorry, only 2 screws. Yes. Yeah, this is the part that we need to remove. I see it through my microscope. Yes. Yes. Yeah, this is the new one. So I make some note to protect confuse. New, yes, the new one. Yeah, keep it apart. And then this is the destroy. Yeah, we need to clean. Yeah, this, and then we connect. Push downwards the connector. Yes. Okay. After that, we no need to cover it yet. Then we connect the LCD. Yes. This is the sensor. Okay. Cái con bơ. Okay, at vô na kì. Cái na kì. Wow, the LCD broken. It is very cracked, but it still works. We can replace only the front glass. No need to replace all. To replace whole LCD, yes. But the owner no need. Yeah, now we test. This is the first time that we use the new camera. Wow, not work also. Oh, maybe low power. Oh no, not low. This is the front camera and this is the back camera. Oh, it works perfectly. The problem from the camera. Yeah, now we replace it. I test more function. Yes, this is 3x and 6x. Yeah, it still work. Then I zoom in 1x, it still work. Yes. So yeah, now we go to the photo. Yes, it's very clear. And then we go to the portrait. Yes, for blue background. Yes, it worked perfectly. Okay, the problem from the camera, so we replace the camera. For this model, we need to turn off by pressing the upper volume and the side key. Yeah. Press and hold together. Yeah, like this, and then slide to turn off. Yeah, now we disconnect the battery first. I always disconnect the battery first. Disconnect by the plastic or the fingernail. Don't use the metal to disconnect the battery. And this is the touchscreen cable, and this is the LCD cable, and also this is the sensor, or we can call front camera, front speaker. Yes, cable. Yeah, it worked perfectly. So we install the cover, or we can call cover the camera. Yes. Then I tie the screw. Yes. Wow. Okay. And one more. Yes. Yeah, now we install LCD, or sometimes we call screen, sometimes we call display, but sometimes we call monitor. Yes. Anh nó ngon, bắt vô luôn thế. Anh đang dương thơm đo người, bên đây nó khôi lại xế nhé, tay dương chui. Phải ở trong nuôi ấy, ở trong bên năng ấy. Chụp the near lực tí pì. Ba, ở con bà, chồng hào nhầm pu đấy mà hào nhầm bón. Hào mà vô lôi về. I'm just joking with my customer. Yes. This is the special point that we need to do that. Một cái chọ hai từ này ao tiệt cái này mà bây giờ là thơ ban từ này, bây giờ thơ ban từ này vậy từ này ta mà tất thoát mà tất giờ này chúng này dương chỉ có anh men. I speak in Khmer because I'm joking with my staff. chùm nó xịt mà đã đô rồi đó ban nước mơ thì ban chất thmò với ập cha hết rồi đồ dơ nghỉ thmò vào phên này mới vô mềm mà thì cho hôm khi mẹ mới qua rồi còn mấy okay, now we turn on and we need to test again one more test. This is the button screw. Yeah, we tie the screw. And this is one more. The owner left Buddhist. He set the Buddhist logo or the Buddhist picture on the home screen. Yes, this is Buddhist. But I'm not understand why Buddhist using the mark Apple. Yes, you see. Yes, thank you much for watching. The phone working perfectly.